What up, guys? I want to say a big thank you for joining me today. So, quickly, I'd like to share an opportunity with you. So, I recently found this app where you can actually listen to music and earn cash while doing that. The app is called Current. As you can see, it has quite good reviews if you read through. Um, you can decide to go over the reviews yourself. But I installed it on my phones just to give it a try so I can give you guys an honest opinion and also let you know about it. It's asking me to update, which I'll do right away. But basically, what it does is just like your Spotify app or Tidal or YouTube Music app, you can actually listen to music with this app. Just go ahead and open it up. Now, this plays over whatever else you're doing. So you can leave it open while you're on Instagram or Facebook or wherever or whichever app you decide to use. So what you want to do is go to the App Store. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Um, Download the app. You need to register, and I must mention one very important thing you need to do is actually you cannot proceed if you don't do it is to disable developer mode on your phone. Now, I don't have a perfect explanation for this yet, but it's a requirement. If you do not disable it, and you cannot you cannot trick the system. If you disable it, then start to earn money, and then go back to enable it, it automatically stops. The app stops working. So once you register, you've disabled your developer mode, you need to come to this tab here called Earn. So now I've not used this in a few days because this phone is not my main phone. I just left it on it to once in a while when I remember I go there, just leave it playing. Another thing I must mention is you cannot just leave the phone to play the music without the volume being up. So for example, you see I have the volume here zero or close to zero actually. If it is like this, so without any volume, the music won't play. It needs to be at least, would I call it one level of volume there. Now what you want to do is, once you've registered and everything, you just come here and tap on start. You have the opportunity to select the genres you like to listen, if it's pop, hip hop, R&B, rap, whatever it is, right? And then you can see the instruction how to check in, start checking on the earn screen, finish one song every day, complete a streak for the bonus, or lock the next streak. Now this is just a piece of I would say piece of information. Actually, this is just a piece of information for you, but really every time and every single music you listen to, you'll be able to see it here where it says PayPal gift card. You can select what kind of gift you would like. There are different options here. You can, so whatever you, let's say you want or would like $10 PayPal gift card, you can set that as a goal. So every amount you earn goes towards this goal. Now, how do you start earning? Basically, just click on play or just go on music, select whichever. As you can see, these are my recently played songs. Continue earning. Okay. Just play any of the songs you want and just leave it to play for as long as you can. You're on the road, you are trying to exercise, you're on the streets or outside in the evening jogging, whatever, wherever you listen to music, you definitely can use this app. And most of the songs you listen to are already there. So you see, I turned off, reduced the volume completely, and you see what it's showed me here. Music earning is off, earning disabled, volume cannot be zero. You need to pay attention to that. So I need to increase it a bit at least, like this. And now music continues to play. Um, that's it basically. Give it a try. I'll leave a link in it. That's it basically. Give it a try. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I must also mention something that you should know. Now, you see this little icon on top of your phone every single time. I don't know if it's visible here, like this C with like a dollar sign or cent sign C. It's always there, and whenever you lock your phone, there is this sort of screensaver with some adverts there as well, and it may be annoying. I've seen those comments for some people that those screenshots, those screensavers are actually annoying. For me, I do not really mind them. All I have to do is just swipe and remove them basically. But if you know that's going to annoy you, that's maybe something important that you want to bear in mind. So that's about it. Let me know if you have questions in the comment section below, and I'll be more than willing to answer your questions. There are other things you can do as well. You can earn by watching some videos or taking some surveys or playing some games, or actually some offers as well you can explore. If you put in your full name, you get 15, let's call it coins, whatever that is. If you put your birth year, you get 5, and then if you put your gender, you get 5 as well. You share location, you give your feedback. If you listen for 30 minutes, you get a bonus of about 200. So basically, that's it. It's as easy as that. You can make some money. Now it's not gonna be like $1,000 or whatever. It's just a bit of money, but it's some money as well. While you do nothing, just listen to music. That's all. You do that anyway on Spotify and some other apps without getting paid for it. So you guys try it out. I'll leave a link in the description below as I mentioned, and I'll leave links to other opportunities as well in the description below. Check them out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.